One of the most common complaints we hear all the time from Tesla clients is that the tires wear out fast. Luckily, there's something you can do about it. Before we unbox these cool looking parts, I want to very briefly talk about what's causing this. The reason that's happening is because Teslas come built with negative camber, which in very layman's terms means your back tires sit like the picture on the left. The bottom of your tires kick out a little bit more than the top, so it's not perfectly straight up and down. The advantage of this is that you get fantastic grip on the road and your handling is improved, but all that weight of your car on that very small inner section of your tire causes faster wearing. Unfortunately, factory Tesla parts can't be adjusted, so owners had to deal with this and constantly buy new tires. Until now, Intuitive is a company that created an adjustable rear camber arm. That means by replacing the one that's on your Tesla with this one, you can finally adjust the camber settings to make it more positive so that your wheels sit more straight up and down, so to speak, than before. This will improve your tire wear so that you're not constantly running through tires. We got the kits in for all the Teslas, so we're going to look at the 3s and the Ys first. Packaging is awesome, and it's not even the best part. The actual parts themselves look like a work of art, aesthetically pleasing and purposefully built. These are the red versions, but they do have other colors like silver and black, and these come with a 6-year warranty, but the black ones come with lifetime because it's a higher grade material. Either way, these are going to do the job just fine. Switching over to the S and the X kit, same awesome packaging, but different parts of course. S's and X's with 21s or 22-inch wheels really are going to benefit from these, especially if your car is lower too. You guys are the ones that are really suffering from bad tire wear. The build quality on these are insane and they're the best looking kits I've ever seen. If your Tesla is lowered or you're just getting really bad tire wear, check these out, especially if you're the guys that are getting 5,000 to 10,000 miles on your tires. These are definitely going to improve your tire wear dramatically. So we actually have a Model 3 that we worked on in the past on our channel, and as you can see, it is slammed. It is super lowered and it is going through bad tire wear. Here's a before shot of what the rear tires look like and how they sit. As you can see, we have massive negative camber on the rear. The bottom of the wheels kick out way more than the top. The top isn't even exposed. It's pretty much hidden and tucked under the fender. So without further ado, let's get started on the installation. So after the install and the alignment, here's how the tires sit now in the back, and as you can see, it's a pretty big difference. It's a much straighter wheel positioning. And here is a 50-50 shot, and I know this is a terrible 50-50 shot, but even as bad as this clip is, you can still see a huge difference from the before and the after. Look at how straight it is now compared to before. The top of the tire is exposed, is not hidden or tucked away. This is going to make a huge difference in the tire wear. Check out the kit, it should help you, and if you want us to install it or you want to buy the kit from us, all of our contact info is in the description down below.